Hello everybody. Can you hear me first of all? Because today my mic is at a very different spot than usual. So I really need to verify if you guys can hear me out or not. Let me just share, copy the damn URL. I'll just open the damn stream. I don't know. Well, I could have tested it there, but at least I will get some watch time this way. Well, I could have tested it there, but at least I will get some watch time. Yeah, dude, that sounds really awesome for some reason. I was not expecting that, trust me. I will change the quality. Damn, bang, boom. So that's an interesting one. Now, hacker, where am I? All right. So first of all, everybody, we will have a better internet connection today because I'm at a different spot than the usual one. I forgot to reply to him and I just remembered him. But now, so where was I? Let me think, my man. Let me think, my human friends. Yeah. So today we have a different stream than usual. No, sorry. We have the similar stream today, but for next few days, or at least for tomorrow, or at least for one of the days in next few days, I'm thinking to do a fun stream. No, a different one than usual. I'm pretty excited about it. I need to set up a camera. Obviously, I will just connect like Droid Cam with my mobile phone or something. But that shit is going to be chill and awesome and fun and beautiful. But for now, I have to either work on ShopBot, the weird bot from yesterday. INV stuff is good. Mud stuff is somewhat good as well. Obviously, I cannot do those on stream, but I can do waiting screen on stream, all right? So today I want to add some real features to the waiting screen website because it's been few days since I added that. And dude, I have a lot of wait a second. Wait a second. Food stuff for the stream. I mean, obviously you guys can neither see it nor eat it, but at least I can. So I have like couple of chocolates. I have a biscuit. I have mad angles. I have couple more chocolates. This is going to be a fun stream. Well, they are not. Leo, what's up? Yeah, anyways, well, they are not supposed to be. Wait, I didn't started the thing. Okay. I am not supposed to eat them today, like all of them, but let's see. Let's see how hungry I am today. So, damn, thing is already up. That's quick. That's quick. Now, my beautiful humans, I have a good question. How do we possibly, how can we possibly add text like I see. I'll take a beautiful screenshot real quick. Do you guys also see that white line on the left? Let me verify if this is like browser specific or my CSS is weird. Let me figure it out real quick. Ding, 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 ding. I don't. Yeah, what is my password? It was Karthik or something. Fucking hell, I don't remember it. I totally forgot about the password. Damn. Damn, dude. I don't remember the password. I mean, I can obviously look in the code, but I'm not that interested. But what I'm interested in is, sorry, window V, paste, and then move it here. So what I'm planning, okay. So what I'm planning is that I can probably add like a toolbar here, which will obviously only have two boxes for now. First one will be like text box. Second one will be like, what is it? Timer box. After that, what else can we possibly have, my friend? Da. Seems interesting. I don't have the transform tool yet, so that's because that is out of my reach for now. But anyways, let's do it. Let's make that baby. Let's make that real quick. So how do I possibly make that? Should I keep it on this left side? Should I keep it somewhere here? Where should I possibly do that? Toolbar. I'm thinking about such a dumb thing. I should just think about the functionality. Who cares about the design? It's not like it is a public app which people will use, is it? Not at all. I mean, if people will use it, I don't really mind it. I don't know. I don't freaking know. Build screen. And then I have a table. So show me the CSS of how the build screen works. I have this build screen, which have like a some particular width and height and random shit. What's the best part? Above it. Obviously, above it. Make it horizontal. Things are not supposed to be vertical. They can be horizontal. Toolbox. That's a good name, I guess. Let's copy the damn thing. Don't need to. Why not? So, what do I do? I have a lot of random shit CSS in it. I wish I could delete it, but who cares? So I have a toolbox. And then what do I want to do? I want to have a display of flex. Now in the toolbox, we will need tools. So for that, I will need to go on this default home state. Tool will be more like buttons. We don't really need the state, to be honest. The user will click on it and then the item will be added. Yeah, sounds good. Because right now it is just a create layer button. If I'm being, oh, the password is that Karthik is Sama 1234 exclamation mark. I'm wearing socks. Let me just remove them. My feet are burning. All right, all good. So the toolbox, where are you? Toolbox, toolbox. There you go. I mean, there I go. Now in the toolbox, should I just straight up make divs? Do I straight up make images? What do I do? Oh shit, the wiring is not very good because everything is on my bed. This is a bit hard. Oh wait, can you guys still hear me properly? I hope you guys can. I really hope so. Because if you guys cannot, that's very bad. That is very bad. I'm so scared now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It sounds pretty good. Does it? Let me just increase the audio. Hello. Yeah, it is good. If it doesn't work, then I don't know, man. So toolbox, directly image or a div and a image. I guess I'll just do div dot tool star to. Now in it we have an image. So firstly we will have text tool.png text, and similar to that we will have, you know, right, exactly, I forgot the name as well, timer tool. Yes, timer. Now for the text tool, we pretty much just search text tool png and we will definitely get something good enough. At least that's what I was hoping for. This stuff is not good enough at all. I don't want to use a simple T. I guess I will use a simple T then. Come on, show me something cooler. Dude, show me something cooler. Come on. Come on. I will just use T if you will be a weirdo like that to me. Is this better or that better? Let me see if there is some website about it. Oh, we have a lot of websites. Okay, let me just start my snacks. Oh shit, my dog is looking at me. I will need to give him a bit of it. He is staring. I will eat first and then I will give him at the end. Text on PNG. What the fuck did I open just now? So what is that? At what the hell, dude? Hmm. Exactly. This one is okay. I like the colored one as well. I like this as well. Hmm. Hmm. There are a lot of interesting ones, man. I don't understand this. I want to use something simple but something cool as well. I really like this blue text, to be honest. Uh, I will download it. If I don't find anything else, then I will use this. Bam. I will take this. This one seems awesome. I was driving slow. Okay. Um, what the hell? Awesome. Now we need a stopwatch. Stopwatch. This seems good. This seems fun. This seems chill. I'll take this one. I'll download that. Free download, please. Timer 2. Awesome. Reload. Bang! Look at that. Look at these beautiful icons. They seem awesome. Now in the toolbox, if you guys remember, we have that. But in it, I have image and that thing should... by the way, we need some gap, like 10 pixels. And for the image, I would like to have a width of like 2 RAM and height of like 2 RAM as well. They seem quite good already. I would like the width to be like max content. I would like to have some padding as well, like ideally 10 pixel on top, 5 pixel on left, right, which doesn't really matter if I'm honest. But I will keep it in case I add a border or something. I definitely need a border. If I definitely need a border, then I will do like 20 pixels for left and right. I will give you a background color of something dark. Variable primary background dark. Not a big fan of it, but okay. Border radius can be like 3 pixels. Nice. I would like the width to be like 40%. I will call it minimum width. Otherwise, width will be like maximum content. Looking good. I will also have to like margin 10 pixel and auto. Margin bottom can be like 20 pixels. Looking good already. What about 30? What about 20? Okay. Now justify content space between. That I take back. Gap can be 20 pixels. Now whenever someone will hover on you, hover dude, hover. Just add a filter and add some contrast. Garbage. What about some box shadow? That might work. So like 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 5 pixel and black. What the hell? Is that really how it works? 10 pixels? Is it right? Probably that's not right. I will try to remove one. Okay. 0 pixel? What now? Okay, that is just not working. So if I cannot do that, how can I do something about it? Like I can scale it or something. I want to just do some kind of good transformation. Transform. Skew. I don't know what even that means. I guess scaling 1.01 is the best I can do. That is nothing. Okay, first of all, let's add a transition of 0.2s. That's a bit too long, I believe. 1s might work. Now, if you guys remember, I was supposed to edit here width and height. I will change it to like 2.2. That's like 10%, so that is like 1.1. So I will do 5% instead. And as you can see, it looks ugly as hell. I will also like you to do position relative. I don't know, man. You know what? You know what? The divs can have a position relative, and images can have a position absolute. Border 10 pixels, solid red. So if you exist, then where the fuck is the image? Okay, so we have a toolbox, we have the tool, and we have the image, which I cannot fucking see for some reason. That's dumb. Let's give you a z-index of like 10. Okay, let's give you a z-index like that as well. Oh shit, you are weird. Position relative, position absolute. What's up, man? Why are you being weird? Dave, let's just add high here. Okay, high. What's up? What's up? Width and height. I will give you a width of max content, height of max content. What do you say? And I will remove the z-index. Doesn't. Why do you do that to me? Remove them. Doesn't matter. Remove that. At least they exist now. Remove that. If I do this, I'll just remove that. How can I make this hover a bit more interesting? I just don't know, man. I just wish something would happen which will make it more fun. I remember some dot has and stuff. Ooh, shit. I will need to watch Kevin's video about that. Kevin has trick. It was a YouTube short. Is his name Kevin? CSS. I was almost scared, dude. How do I watch his YouTube shorts? Oh, I have shit. I will need to open a different browser because I cannot view YouTube shorts in that browser. This thing is biting me back somehow. Shit. You know, guys, there was a time I was talking to like a client, and because of some circumstances, I ended up using this. What is it called? EDM or something? Like biting me back or something like that. And I couldn't say it for some reason, too. Yeah,
Did
this
you
is
know
the
with
one.
CSS you can select all the siblings of an element to change the styling of it, and it's actually
Oh
pretty easy.
shit! That's crazy. Now I know how to do that. Trust me, I just know it somehow. I don't know how I know it. As soon as I just heard his voice, it resonated with me. So if I do end has, then I do image hover, then end image. I will like to control X, put that there, and then I'll do end image filter like grayscale or something. So I have no idea if this works or not. Okay, just to be clear, I have no goddamn idea. I'll just try it. I will say it works exactly the way it shouldn't. So the one I'm hovering on becomes gray. If div have a image hover, then image filter grayscale. But when you are on hover, then filter grayscale 0. I will watch the
Easy to
video.
do. First off, we have all of these images here just inside of an image gallery class. The image
Awesome.
gallery is just a
Awesome.
simple grid, and the images
Escape
just
it
have
a
some
bit.
basic styling on them to live in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Importantly, with a transition here on the
Oh
scale
yeah,
and the
for sure,
opacity,
for
since that's what
sure.
we're going to be
Transition
playing
is
with.
awesome.
Now, what we could do is choose all of the images that aren't being hovered
Yeah,
on,
yeah,
that
yeah.
are inside of my image gallery,
Yeah,
and change
yeah,
the scale
yeah.
and opacity of them. So when we get the hover effect, it works and it's kind of
Yeah,
nice. But what
awesome.
if we want this effect to only come in if we're hovering on one of the
Yeah,
individual
that's what we are looking
images?
for.
In that case, we can add has image hover. So if the image gallery has an image that's being hovered,
And then I should specify that the image which is not hover. Awesome. Probably this works. Yo boy Deep, what's up man? What are you doing? How are you? And that didn't work. I messed it up somehow. Has
hovered
image
on,
hover, not hover. Does my browser not support that complex CSS?
then we can go and on all of the images that are not being hovered on, we can apply a certain style to
Image gallery has image hover. So this is my image gallery and it has image hover.
it. And so now if I'm hovering on an image, it comes in, but if I'm not hovering on an image, we go back to the default styles. This is just one example of some of the amazing things that the has selector
I assume I need...
opens up with CSS. Did you know with CSS you can select all the
Okay,
siblings of an
okay.
element to change the styling of it? And it's actually...
Boom.
Did you know with CSS?
And then dish image not hover. That's odd. That's quite odd, dude. Let's try this. Let's directly do this. And I'll remove one of that. So possibly this works. Possibly. Hopefully this works. It doesn't work. So you know what? I will even remove that. If image is not hovered, grayscale it. If hover, it isn't grayscaled. That's a good start. Now we need to do this. If this div has image with hover, then let's say like background color red. I see. I need to do it in toolbox. If and has this, then nice, nice, nice. Control X, comment that. Control L, boom. Awesome, look at that. So we are done. Thank you very much, Kevin. Oh, I didn't like that, my bad. I'm back, welcome back. Did you find your amazing mobile phone? Do you like that mobile phone? I will transform scale 0.9. 0.8. Wow, this is such an awesome animation. I love it. I did it somehow. I mean, I technically just copied Kevin, but I'm glad I did it. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so now we actually do the functionality. Now, if somebody will click on this tool button on click, what we are going to do is we are going to create a new layer. So how do we add a new layer? We do dispatch and value. Let's see. We have a payload, we have the refresh, and then we have to give them the type, add layer. Now let's see what do we have in our payload. So firstly, we need a random ID. That totally makes sense. I appreciate the help. URL should be empty. I agree. Let me just think of some other things. Let me just open the code, right? I can just copy the damn thing. If I go to layer, ID is done. I'll just copy everything. Now, if I were to paste that, so name can be what? Text. Width can be auto. Height can be auto. X and Y can be like 500. Width is 1280 and like 350. That's a good number. Then rotation by default will be 0. Opacity by default will be 1. Now, if you guys might have noticed, we need a property which actually stores the text. Should I just store it in URL? That's such a bad thing to do. Instead of URL, I have a good idea, my friends. Okay, I have a really good idea. Let's rename this property to data. Then we use this for any goddamn thing we want to. So if I were to rename this thing to data, then we need to make like 100 changes first of all. What the fuck? Yep, data. So let me see, where am I using .url with all those. Don't care about that. I don't care about this. I don't care about this. Sorry, I care about this one. And then data.url. This will be more like data. Yeah, that is fine, but this is not fine. And we are done. Awesome. Now, my human friends, let's get back to the layer. Sorry, the home page in the toolbar. So there, instead of URL, we do data, and this will be some text. This is fun so far. What about the fonts? What the fuck are fonts? I guess I can have like metadata, which is an empty object. Now I need to go on, wait a second, URL code. Oh, doesn't matter. So we need to worry about fonts, right? So if I were to go there and add this metadata, that works. An optional property, which is an object. Awesome. After that, I just realized I ate the whole chocolate and I didn't give it to my dog. But he didn't. I think he doesn't care. I will give him the next one. Or maybe I will just make him food shortly. Then I'll give him that. Or I can just wait and then he will get the food automatically. That's true as well. I think that's a better way to do it. I mean, that's easier at very least. In metadata, we need things like font. Let's say Arial. We need font size. Damn. Font size, which will be 1 rem. Okay, humans. Font size. This is a good question. I have a bad feeling about this layer thing now. So I totally remember having like width and height. We definitely don't need that anymore. Width and height. This should show up in case of what? So let me think. Like data dot width. If type of data dot width is equals to number, in that case we do all of this random thing, right? Yes, that's exactly right. Or I just add a layer type. I think that's a smarter way to do it. I will do data dot type is equals to like image. Okay, and then let me just make that thing. So we have this, add a new property, and I'm gonna call it type. It will be either image or like text or timer. Awesome, awesome. What's the problem? You don't need the type of, obviously. Now. Oh, just realized. Let me just find out where do I have add layers. Add layer. Your type should be text. Type text. We have another add layer. Your type should be image. Image. Nice. Aurora. Who is that? Oh, I remember Aurora. Okay. Okay. Three. Wait, am I zoomed in? Yeah, that was big. Not good. Shit! Just give me a second, dude. Fuck. At this point, I might get 101 votes and then get like a $15 ad next month. Fuck. That's crazy good. Edit. Edit, yes. Analytics. Let me just get a quick look. 216, 27 votes. It was in 32 back there, but okay. 147 invites. Okay. And we have very less unique votes. Sorry, views. I guess I would like to thank my friends for voting again and again. Love you. I mean, 27, it's been 3 days, or maybe, yeah, 3 days. Yeah, that's a, wait a second. So it's like 15 people voted it twice. But I'm pretty sure I voted myself like 4 or 5 times, or maybe more. Ooh, okay, let's don't talk about that. Bang, this is, I just realized a big issue in the hovering. Like, it is not fun if this thing have an image hover. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back, humans. We need to figure out, right? We need to figure out some things. And those things are, how does the text component work? So for example, if I go back to the toolbox, you will see that I'm adding all of these beautiful things. But how do we manage it for real? For that, I need to go to my builder screen, which is just here. And then you will see like this thing. So as you can see, this is an image node, right? But we need to change it according to the stuff we are in. So similar to image node, I will need one for like text node, okay? So that's pretty straightforward. Text node. Instead of this, it will be an input, I guess. And it will be of type text. We don't need source. That will be more like its value. Okay, that looks good. That is looking good. Now, as you guys can probably notice, we have width and height. We need to also worry about if data dot metadata dot question mark dot font size. And obviously this thing is being a beach, so we need to worry about that. This thing is indexable. I already made it. There's no way, right? Interface indexable, just yes. Can I have like T and then T? I guess not. Can I have like key comma value, by default string, by default any v k? Oh, that's awesome. It is a indexable, which is like string comma, what is the value? Like it is string or possibly number, I guess. Yeah, who cares? I could care less about that. So what's up? What's your problem? What do you mean? What's your problem? Element implicitly has any type because of type E can be used to index type string comma string number. Fucking what's up, man? You know what? Yeah, take that. Remove that. This is what is up. I don't understand this. Isn't that how these things used to work? Like, am I doing something wrong? What am I messing up? Let's think about it. Data dot metadata dot. Like, what is this? This thing is either an empty object or undefined. So, if this thing exists, then what is this? Dot ah. How can I forget this? TypeScript indexable. I guess that means I can do like this. Hello. What the fuck? Let me just copy this straight up. Bang. Okay. This works now. Wait, what is so different? Okay, so what's the difference? Key, any, key, string. Okay, I will try that. That works. What the fuck? How the hell this is working all of a sudden? Like if I do any, then it's a problem. Okay, okay, human. Okay, I understand that. Question mark dot. I hate this thing. Font size. That's such a bad thing, dude. Is equals to like this goddamn thing. I need to go back to the home thing because I forgot what am I naming the font family. Where is it? I'm just calling it font. Let's call it font family to look cool. If oh shit, I'll still do this whole thing. Boom, and instead of that I'll put this here. Awesome. um Boom. So we improvement. I am assuming this is this a text node or a image node? It is a image node. That's super odd. That's super odd. Prop image. Ah, this is going to be a pain. Image, image, image. We don't need this on load thing, damn it. We have draggable, we have everything. Why is this thing an image though? I don't understand that. I want to console log the thing. Your type is, you don't have a type, you have a type text, right? Then why is it, oh, because I made the text node but I never really used it. Ah, that makes sense. I'm using image node once, twice. Why am I using it twice though? On the table and on there. Okay. Can I like A is greater than B, then image node, otherwise image node? Can I do that? I assume obviously not. Obviously. So I will do data dot type is equals to image. In that case, do this. Otherwise, data dot type is equals to text. Then do this. Otherwise, do this. That's like some trash code right there, but that's I'll do something about it. I will make it less trashy. Give me a bit of time, humans. For now, that works. Some text. Fucking hell, that works. Shit, that works. Oh shit, that works, dude. I'm super scared, man. How am I making these random things? Now we need an on change event. Um, on click. Ah, this is such a pain. Let me just figure out the on thing this first. So I need to dispatch. Type will be update layer. Payload will be ID. Fucking hell, that thing is exactly what I was looking for. I click on it and it stops working. That's totally sensible. So instead of, if I remove this, I need to click again and again, dude. I have a feeling I know how to fix that. Ah, shit. Good idea, humans. I have a very good idea. So if you guys remember, I'm using math.random at like all key creations, right? Look at that. Instead of that, I can try like data.id. Should I just die? I don't know at this moment. What if I have more text? Doesn't matter anyways. You know what? You know exactly what. Import para class name container. You know what, humans? Let me just copy this beautiful code. Let me go to text node, and instead of this, I'll make it a P. I'll add that. I will add that. Awesome, awesome. And I remove all of that. I need to do that. And then we have dot, I guess I do current target dot inner text. Also, instead of that, it will be on input. Awesome. Damn. That's so good. That's some beautiful piece of code. Baby, input. So I want you to have no outline. Then why do you have what the hell, dude? Why do you have outline? Now you guys, like, I'm unable to do enter. It just adds space. What's up? I can just make a text area. Fucking what? Is that real? I guess it is. Dude, I don't even. Let me add the on click thing again. I love CSS. I love HTML. It is not very good, but it is okay, right? Why does this thing have a background though? Okay, how do I handle that? Text area dot input border 10 pixels solid red. Okay, so background should be transparent. If I remove that, it should not a problem. Relax, human, relax. After that, we obviously don't need freaking border. We obviously don't need outline. Awesome. What's up? Is it selected or not? It is selected, but why do I not see a border? Why? That's dumb. Where's the selected image? Selected image. Yeah. What it be for that? You make me feel like dying. Let's say I don't want to focus. Outline should be none. Okay, I will let you have your fucking outline if you really want it. I would care less. But at the same time, my humans, on resize, I want to update the layer. And I want to update the width will be current targets dot client width and the client height h height. Wow, humans, humans, look at this, look at this baby, look at that. And by the way, you guys might have realized that issue as well. So in the layer section we have this layer input thing, right? You will also see another thing down there, image. So if it is of image type, there it is. Source will be that. Otherwise, if it is of text type, source will be that. Da, 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 da. So in this case, the source will be slash. Think about it. Exactly, text.png. Otherwise, it will be like timer.png. Nice. And I want you to, what is this style though? Width and height. Oh, if data.type is not equals to image, in that case style dot width, I hate this, width is equals to like 50 and height will be exactly 50. Fuck, this works somehow. I am so glad this works. Damn, this is so awesome, man. Hi, silent gamer. What is your question? I'm 11 minutes late, my bad for that, but if you are still here, feel free to ask it. I mean, you should have already asked it to be honest, but it happens. Not your bad, dude. It happens. Anyways, for now, I'm very glad I have a text object. I'm not sure about where we are receiving a lot of update layer. Do we even have the resize event? I will need to console log that. Where is it? Text node. We have a on resize console.log /n/n/n/n resize. Okay, nice. I don't see anything like that. Why? Why? I have no idea. Text area resize event. Does it not work? A standard way to handle element resizing is the resize observer API. New resize observer. Okay. How about in React? I don't really want to use a fucking class like that. I wish there was like a function event. Observer window resizer object. First input this current new resize observer observer.disconnect observer.observe. I guess resize observer is the only thing, dude. That's so sad, man. I guess I need to do it then. I hate myself, man. Okay. I hear a lot of dogs for some reason. Const ref is supposed to use ref. Then obviously it is null by default. Then ref is equals to ref. What's your problem? And do not. I hear some bad noises, dude. If window.resize observer const observer is equals to new one. What was he doing? I don't remember anymore. Let's open this. Don't mind the boy. Observe observer dot Leo. Okay, इधर आ आओ. He ignored me. That's awesome. Awesome. Ref.current. Nice. So now my next question is, how do I read the goddamn event? Observer dot observe. How will I know it is observer? What the fuck do I do? Like the on resize will automatically work now? I have no idea. On resize text area. So I have read this one. Let's read this one. So my guy does this. I see. I was confused. My apologies, my beautiful viewers, for messing up like that. I know that was a silly mistake. I shall not repeat such weird things. Just give me a second. I have a big problem. Textbox.offset with height. What the fuck is textbox? So what you are saying is I just directly do like ref dot current dot the fuck. Okay, so I'll make this. I'll make a little change, right? Text area HTML text area element or null, right? So are you a bit better now? Dot width. So you have a offset width, a client width. I assume I need to do the client width. I hope I need to do the client width. Let's hope this thing works. Let's figure it out. Why are you receiving these? Okay, you know what? If ref dot current dot client height is not equal to data dot height, or ref dot current dot client width is not equal to data dot width, then do all of this, otherwise don't. Why are you stopping now, son? Wait, is this thing running like infinite times? Let me just see. Console.log observed. I don't think that is what I should be doing. Fuck. You know what? I will even do data.height is equals to ref.current and do the same for the width, then it might be better. Why is this thing happening like 17,000 times? I guess I should add the what is this thing? Resize observant. I don't know, man. Disconnect probably. Let's find out. Let me just go here. Let me clear the damn thing. So we have this awesome thing. We still have it for like 1,000 times. You know what? I'll just disconnect it as soon as it starts. Why does it happen 1,700 times? I have no idea. You know what? There must be an event. There must be an event. Document dot on, sorry, window dot on, sorry, ref dot current dot on resize. Console.log real resize. What's your problem? Just //@th-ignore and obviously comment all this random bullshit. Now let's figure it out, humans. Does it work? I hope it does. Cannot read property of undefined reading null. Where are you reading the property? That thing doesn't even exist too. Let's reload, add a text component. I see some errors and that thing is dead. You know what? Const alum is equals to, let's get this alum, document dot get element by id and do alum bang dot on resize is not a function. What do you mean on resize is not a function? So on resize can be null. Oh shit, that's crazy. I quit for now. What can I do? I guess this is good. Let me just figure out the alt plus and minus for this thing. If I click it, alt plus, alt minus does nothing because of obvious reasons, right? So what do we do? I guess I can start with going to the scale image. Now this is the payload, right? But const change is equals to an empty object. If data dot type is equals to like image, then I will like to make it a let where change data, then change data is equals to this shit. Otherwise, if data, let's just do else directly. In this case, change data is equals to font size will be data dot metadata question mark dot font size. Const current is equals to parse float this. Now this thing will be replaced by that question one. This thing will be, so changes in percentage multiply current. Sounds good, looks good. So alt plus minus plus plus, what is up? Let's console.log the current comma change data alt plus. I see shit ton of logs. Font size is NaN 1.01 alt shift plus 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 plus. That's weird. 1 RAM NaN 1 RAM 0. What? Oh, I think I know why. We are doing update layer. This thing should be metadata font size. Does that even work, dude? This is not MongoDB. Okay, it is not MongoDB. That makes sense. Then what do I do? You do this. And you hope that this works. The thing became very small. Let me reload the damn thing, right? I want you to just console.log the change data for me. And you might have noticed that there are like shit ton of logs again because that's how the things work with me. I don't like all of this. Dispatch received and then random bullcrap. Crap. Okay. So let's add a text component. Click on it. Alt plus. That thing is tiny as fuck. So the change data, if you guys noticed, is metadata, font family, and font size. That's why. I understand it. I take my words back. I'm a bit dumb. Just give me a minute. Yes. Yes. I am a human. I did it. I love myself. What the fuck? Ah, I just found another mistake. My humans. So the wait a second, I have a call. All right, guys. So this is TypeScript. I'm using React TS, if you want to call it that. Now I need to go for a walk with my beautiful dog, and I will do that shortly. But for now, let me replace that with this. Awesome, 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 awesome. Now by default, we don't need all of that bullcrap. Instead, we need value is equals to data dot data. Nice, god damn it. Okay. So my beautiful humans, as you can see that this thing fucking works. Right, you can change the sizing. I wish. Ah man, I just got a really great idea. You know what I want to do right now? I will show you guys. So if I will click on choose file, and if I like choose this random file, let me just find a good image. So if I, for example, add this late image thing, it will appear on the table. I can throw it here and don't. It looks like that. I will click on that, put it there, decrease its size, select this. So right now I cannot really, like, I can decrease its size, but it is not that good. But what if I add this property? Resize. Do we even have that? CSS make image resizable. Is that a real property? If that thing exists, we have a hack. Resizable property. Do we have it? Let's just figure it out ourselves. I could care less about, wait a second, prop image. So if I go in index CSS prop image, I don't see anything like that. That means I get the chance to make it. Prop image, let's give it a border of 10 pixels solid red. Okay, that thing exists. So resize both. CSS resize property. How does this thing work? Can I use it for anything? Here okay. Okay, that's weird. But that's kind of useless because I don't really have a way to know when these guys are changing the things, but still. I did resize both, but it doesn't work, man. Okay, let's make it important. Okay, what about that now? I guess that doesn't work. No resize property for me. This is so sad. There must be a way. There must be a way, right? CSS. GFG. I guess I can do it on a div. Yeah, I can possibly do that on a div. Let's try it. Let's go to our image node, and this thing will be prop image container. Bang. So let's see, that looks exactly, at least somewhat similar. Index.css, control Z a couple of times, and boom. did that work? I have no idea. We do have a prop image container in which resize is allowed. That's weird. That's odd. Let me open some closed tabs. So in Geek for Geeks, padding with resize is none. Huh? Then we have a resize both. Let's see this. Horizontal, vertical, both. Right, so I will inspect this. So this div have a resize both. So it can resize. That's interesting. That's very interesting. I need to check something. Let's go to like the image node. This is the image node. Now what I'm thinking is let's give this thing the styling. Okay, for now. And let's don't give any image. Okay, hide that. I do see the resize option. Let's just do like minimum width 100, minimum height 100. Okay, I will change the min. I don't see it. Let's add the image again. Okay. Prop image. Oh, there it is. Oh, the prop image container is somewhere else. The prop image is there. Ah, got it, got it, got it. If I do this style container, okay, so ito. What if I give you the style and I only give this guy like nothing? Let me add a file now. And shortly I need to go on a walk with my boy. Otherwise he will get angry with me. Fucking hell. Damn. This is awesome. But still, we still have the same issue. Okay. You know what, guys? I will go on a walk. I'll be back in a bit. Um, Walking the dog. I'll be back shortly. That's not a good look. I'll be back shortly, okay? Just okay. Give me a second, give me 10 minutes, I'll be back. I am back, everybody. I am back. So where were we? Text thing? I will assume so. My bad. Resize. Yeah. That thing was. I've done this thing before, so I will just choose defeat and look into how I did it. Source, hooks, use auto hide. Yeah, this is the one. So I get the root element and then I add a window event listener on resize. If ref.current and client height is not equals to, bruh, that's all. That's it. Fucking hell. Not a big deal. I could definitely. Oh, this thing have a limitation. Hmm. What if instead of giving this guy a maximum this, I just give this guy this different the guy below like style width percent height will be 100%. What happens then? That seems a lot better. Wow. I need opinion right now. I need a second opinion. Shit. Who can I ask? Can I ask? Can't open that. I guess I can open it safe. Who can I ask? He's here. Hey, up for a real quick talk. Need suggestion for this random code tool I am making. Damn, dude, this is such a fun thing. Okay. Ah, man, this is so fun. I don't need to design anything. Just transform the damn thing. Sadly, I don't have the ability to change the direction yet. I will add like invert button and stuff like that. I need a on click real quick. On click, put it in there. And class name, Control X, Control V, Control X, Control V, space Control X. Select. It is selected. Not sure what is happening. Not sure what is happening. I will put the on click event on both of these guys. I am not able to select the damn thing. Why? Why does the on click event not happen? Console.log. Click and terminate is equals to undefined, and let's go to console. Click, only get the uns. You are receiving select and then the unselect. Nande, nande. Wakaranai. Okay, I will give you the class as well. Delete. Boom. Just fucking work, man. Why are you giving the unselect? When do I give the unselect? If this thing is not selected, select, otherwise done. Okay. Crazy. Okay. Dot .id starts with that. Okay. Okay. I can do this. Or doc dot child nodes dot item bracket 0 dot id dot start with yes dash it. Fucking hell. Console log that, console dot log, bam, click, it's null. Why do you do that to me? I'll control X, control V, control X. Found the issue. There is a end, add some brackets, bang, bang, bang. So copy that, paste that. Awesome. Null, and then I see a ID. So doc.id does start with that. So what the fuck is your problem? If it is builder screen and doc.id starts. It should be not. And not. My bad. My bad. I hate myself. Okay, let's think about it. If the user is directly clicking on the build screen, then obviously unselect, not a big deal. If the document doesn't exist, then unselect because this thing shouldn't exist. The fuck am I saying? Okay. Now then the third thing is if the parent element ID is not equal to build screen and the doc thing doesn't start with the image nor its child in that, then unselect. So its parent definitely doesn't start with build screen, but this thing it starts with that. So it is fucking what's up? I need some more console logs, comma paste, bang. So the parent is empty. What if I do parent dot parent element question mark dot id, not a big deal, click it, build screen. Huh. So if the parent id is not equal to build screen, true, and this thing does not start with image and this, why am I thinking when I can just console log it and find out what is the result? I don't know, dude, I'm dumb or something. Highly likely. Now I just do like this, and then I do like this. I guess that's fine. Slash n. Now slash n the dollar. Don't do the dollar yet. Do the dollar in this. And question mark dot. Then we need to do a dollar for that. Dollar for that space. Question mark dot. Put it there. Dollar for this. Slash n. What's up? Oh, that is up. The brackets are up. Okay. After that we have slash n. That's fine. Dollar this space dollar bracket start and the bracket ends there. Okay, so we have some good turn off console logs possibly. Click. And our console, the damn console is undefined. So was it ignored? Console.log coming soon. Click. I see a coming soon, and then I see cannot read property of undefined reading ID. ID. Question mark dot ID. Question mark dot starts with doc. Question mark dot ID. Question mark dot starts with. Okay. Click. Okay, we have a better thing now. So firstly, is the ID equal to build screen? That is false. We stop. The next is dog doesn't exist. That is false. We stop. The next is the parent build screen not equal to build screen? That's true. Then this thing is that the dog does not start with image. That's false. So we stop. This case also becomes false overall. Then we move on to the next thing. Is the parent not equal to layers? True. Is the does the dog ID not start with layer? The fuck? What the fuck? If the parent is not equal to layers and the element doesn't start with layer, then unselect. I need to remove that. Yeah, probably. Let me just. I have a feeling that I possibly fixed. I'll just remove this last case for now because I'm not very sure what it is about. You know what I'm saying? Human don't need the console log anymore. Bang, does work. Bang, 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 bang. Fucking hate myself. If parent is not equal to build screen, rather I should do const classes 2 is equal to image, and I will possibly have text and timer. I might need it in future. And then I'll do I have a call, give me a second. Humans, I am back. So, like, I am making a live stream waiting screen making website. So, I have a little Photoshop like interface in it. And now I'll just wait. But any ways, where was I? Oh, yes, we are unable to select the images anymore. So, if I am not, if user is clicking on the builder screen, or if user is clicking on layers directly, just unselect. That's a straight up thing. Otherwise, if document doesn't exist, click on it. Otherwise, if the thing's ID doesn't start with it, right, then what's up? Why is this thing true? How can this thing be true? That doesn't make sense. Console.log the damn thing. Damn thing. Click. It is true. Oh, I was my bad. My really bad, dude. Why is this thing still true? Let's see. If document dot starts with that. So you are saying there is no document that starts with X. That is in image, text, and timer. Are you for real? It is false. That's crazy. That's super crazy. That's so crazy. It is pissing me off. // ability dash ignore. Nice. Finally, my humans. Boom. Control X, Control V. Control X, enter. Boom, boom. I'm able to select, unselect. I'm able to select. Awesome. That's how we do it. Now, I do have my headphone on. That's good to know. By the way, you free. Okay. I'm changing X like by a pixel. Wait, I click it once and this event happens like hundreds of times. Let me reload the thing, dude. What the fuck? So like I had the damn thing, right? I put it there. Whoa. Click it. Boom. That's totally fine. And I resize it a bit. Now if I click it and I move it, then what the fuck was wrong last time? It is happening like couple of times. Why is this thing happening many times? This rotation happens twice for some reason. Why are these things happening twice? Shit, what should I say? Why did I ask he's free? I was expecting no reply, that's why I said it. Let me just think of a thing. I'm making this thing in which I have like thinking of buttons, thinking of shit, thinking of how the image resizing works. Fuck. I have no idea what to say. No idea what to say. I don't know. Why did I ask if he is free? Let me read chat. I don't remember anything. I have layers. I have a text layer. Hello. We need color. We definitely need color. Let me add that. What should I do? What should I ask? So like I was doing that random site again. Was thinking to show and ask for suggestions. Yeah, I guess that's what I'm doing. Bang, 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 bang. Nice, 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 nice. Afternoon, right? I hope it is afternoon because night me is dead. Let's see. Let's see. 1 baje. Sounds scary to me, dude. Sounds quite scary to me. Why am I not able to pick it up properly? I wonder. Okay, so let's revise what is up. What's up with us? So let's go to our awesome feature list. We have a text component. We put it there. Shortly, we will have a timer component. Then I need to worry about, we don't need to worry about the visibility anymore. Let me add that here. Visibility is fine. Now I need to worry more about component specific settings than filters or effects. And we don't need the transform box anymore because we have the resized system. But what we do need is like this is so awesome, man. Alt plus plus. I need to somehow save its width when the thing is changed. How do we used to do that? Window dot on resize. Okay. So if I go on like the text node, yeah, let's start with the text node. So I will do like window dot on on dot add event listener resize event is equals to, and let's put it in a use effect so we don't spam the damn thing. And just console.log the event.current target.id. Just log the current target. Yeah, sounds good. So if I go to Control Shift I, you see the window itself was resized. Nothing happened now. Awesome. So the window event does get triggered when the whole thing changes, but using the on size thing doesn't is not triggered by anything. That's weird. That's weird. Okay, let me just add that in my awesome feature list. Resize also saved in settings at the rate coming soon. Timer is there. Layer box. Filters and effects. These things, all of these are coming soon, right? Okay. I guess that's good enough for waiting screen for today. Let me see how much time do I have. Oh, it's 9 p.m. First of all, I would like to stop this. I need to get some help. So that's like a lot of work for today. That's all I can do. We'll quit this. Now, what's up, my boy? Okay, he said nothing. Bro, URL do website का. Website अभी host नहीं हुई है, bro. Website is not hosted. I will host it after I complete that feature list. Let me show you the feature list. Personal waiting screen, yeah. When I am done with all of these things, then I will make the website public. Uske baad you can use it. You can use it afterwards. Okay. Now, but for now, I will take a break because it's 9 p.m. I need to get my food, then I need to get dog's food. And then I will probably complete my other projects and hopefully a bit of work on Shopbot. But anyways, everybody who joined in today, thanks a lot. Love you, man. See you all later.